This tutorial will show you how to zoom in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you want to zoom your timeline, and then here you will get a slider. Using the slider, you can easily zoom in and zoom out your timeline. And to zoom in your video, then you have to select the clip. Click on Effect Control, Expand Motion, enable the toggle animation for position and scale. Then select the scale, and here you will get the scale value and click on the value. Now using your arrow up key on your keyboard, increase the value and your video will be zoomed in. So that's how we can zoom in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.